Hello guys, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and Sat Sri Akal. This is Mohit Kumar, an IES aspirant, graduate of Delhi University. This is my second video regarding BPSC preparation. In my first video, I have given you details about how to prepare for BPSC, what should be the strategy of BPSC, and which book you must follow. Those who have not seen it, I will suggest them to go and watch, and also comment on the video if you want something more. And to the new viewers, I want to suggest them to subscribe and like my videos if you find it to be fructuous. That is, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल है और आप कुछ और चाहते हैं इस वीडियो से, तो आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट करें एंड लाइक करें. In this video, I am going to tell you about geography of Bihar. So I am going to start with geography of Bihar. This is first video regarding geography. In this part, I will tell you about location of Bihar, its area, its physiographic division, and lastly river system of Bihar. In second part of the geography, I will tell you about soil, its cropping pattern, and also about climatic condition. So here I am going to start. Now you can see the map of Bihar in front of you. यहाँ आपको बिहार का मैप दिख रहा होगा. Now in the topmost point you can see latitude of Bihar. The latitude of Bihar is basically from 24 degree 20 minute 10 second north to 27 degree 31 minute 15 second north. The longitude of Bihar is 82 degree 19 minute 15 second east to 88 degree 17 minute 40 second east. Now the area of Bihar is 94,163 km. Bihar has a very strategic location. It shares an international boundary with with Nepal in the north and 3 domestic boundaries. In the east there is West Bengal, in the south there is Jharkhand, and in the west there is Uttar Pradesh. In the eastern part there is humid climate in West Bengal. In western part there is subhumid climate in Uttar Pradesh. So Bihar is at transitional location. Now you can see there is a blue line going in between. This is Ganga river, which divides Bihar basically into two parts, नॉर्दर्न गंगा प्लेन, सदर्न गंगा प्लेन. बिहार को ये गंगा रिवर दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है, नॉर्दर्न गंगा प्लेन, सदर्न गंगा प्लेन. नाउ नॉर्दर्न गंगा प्लेन इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ alluvial soil. This alluvial soil is basically brought up by the Ganga and its tributaries. They are Ghagra, Gandak, Buri Gandak, Bhagmati, Karcha, Kosi, Mahananda. Now few places in Bihar, that is northern Ganga plain, are remnants of Shivalik ranges. Shivalik ranges, you may be knowing that Himalaya has three ranges: Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and Shivalik ranges, also called Outer Himalayas. Now there are two which is very famous, Someshwar range and Ramnagar Dun, which are remnants of Shivalik ranges. These are basically located in West Champaran. This is West Champaran. Someshwar and Ramnagar Dun are basically found at this location. Ramnagar Dun are located at the south of Someshwar Hill. Now, northern Ganga plain is basically prone to flood because lot of river here. You can see Gandak, Ghagra, Buri Gandak, Bagmati, Karcha, and Kosi is the most dangerous river which brings flood every year. It is also called Sorrow of Bihar. I will tell you later about this Kosi river. Now coming to the Southern Ganga plain. Southern Ganga plain has characteristics very different from Northern Ganga plain. It is elevated in the south and sloped towards Ganga. Here in south it is elevated and sloped towards Ganga. It is very less prone to the flood because the volume of the river is less here, and also the density, volume, and the river number of rivers also very less. You can see Son, Punpun, Falgu, Dhaddar. There are basically 3 to 4 rivers here. Now There are many regional diversities also found in southern Ganga plain. There are some places which have hillocks and mounts. Some of them are Brabar Hills in Gaya, Ramsila Pritsila hillocks of Gaya, basically here. There's Guriak Hill of Rajgir, which is found in Nalanda, and last is Badi Pahari of Shekhpura. Here Shekhpura Badi Pahari. These are very well known what is called hillocks. Now this you can see at the southwest part there is Kamur district. This Kamur district has geographically or physiographically different from northern Ganga plain and southern Ganga plain. This Kamur district is separated from all over the Bihar by a Son boundary. Here you can say Son runs parallel to the Kamur. It separates Kamur from Chotanagpur plateau. It is structurally different from Bihar, and also this Kamur is the extension of Vindhyad ranges. Now coming to the rivers of Bihar, basically let me tell you that Ganga is the most important river of Bihar, which have tributaries joining it from north also and also from the south. The tributary which joins from north, you can see in diagram Ghagra, Gandak, Budi Gandak, Bagmati, Karcha, Kosi, Mahananda. The tributary which joins it from south is Son, Punpun, Falgu, Dhaddar. Now let me start one by one. Ganga. Ganga first enters Bihar near its confluence with Karmanasa in Buxar district. The three big tributaries of Ganga is the Ghagra, the Gandak and the Son. You can see the Ghagra joins at the point 1, here at point 1 with the Ganga at Chhapra. Now the Son joins at point 2 near Bihta in Patna, and Gandak join at point 4. Here is point 4 opposite of Patna. Now let me tell you something about Ganga. Ganga, you have seen here, has divided Bihar into two equal halves. So it has posed lot of difficulties in transportation from northern Bihar to southern Bihar. There is basically some rail cum road bridge in Mokama, road bridge in Hajipur, and one road bridge in Bhagalpur, which basically helps people to migrate from or travel from north to south Bihar. There are two mega projects are going to be constructed or at the verge of construction. One is in Sonpur connecting Digha, and another at Munger to Jamalpur. This was about Ganga. Now let me tell you about, you can see one figure here, Ganga. Its origin is from Gangotri glacier. Its Sangam is, that is Bay of Bengal. That is, Sangam is where it meets. Length up to which it flows in Bihar is 445 km and enters Bihar in Buxar district. The second most important river, that is Ghagra, its origin is at Namdapha. You can see here Namdapha, that is in Nepal, and its Sangam is at Ganga in Chhapra district. The length which it flows in Bihar is 83 km and enter Bihar in Saran district. Here you can see Saran. The Gandak is the most important tributary of Ganga, and the Gandak enters Bihar in Triveni district. So it's in Triveni part of Bihar. Gandak joins Ganga near Hajipur. The origin of Gandak you can see here as Mangamat and Kutanu, that is in Nepal and Tibet. The fourth river of Bihar is Buri Gandak, which originates from Someswar hill and meets Ganga at Munger. Its length in Bihar is 320 km and enter in Bihar in Champaran. Now the Bagmati originates in Mahabharata range, meets at Kosi, length is 394 km, and enter Bihar in Sitamarhi. Now come the Kosi. Kosi originates from Sapt Kosi in Nepal. It meets Ganga at Kursela. Its length is 260 km and enter Bihar in Supal. Now you can see here Kosi. The Kosi basically originates in Supal, or you can, at some point of time it was in Araria also. The Kosi is the most dangerous river of Bihar. It is also called Sorrow of Bihar. It is meandering path, you can see here. It meanders from east to west. It has changed its trajectory lot of time, which has caused lot of destruction in Bihar. Now I have already told you about Gandak, Buri Gandak, Bagmati, Kosi. Now coming again to Karmnasa. Karmnasa is the point. It originates from the Vindhyachal range, so it's a river which originates from Vindhyachal range. Its Sangam is Ganga in Chawa Buxar district. Now its length is not important. It enters Bihar in Buxar district. Now coming to the Son. Son originates in Amarkantak Plateau in MP, meets Ganga at Bihta, Patna, length 202 km, and it enters Bihar in Rohtas, flowing parallel to Camur Hills. Now Punpun. Punpun basically originates from Chauraha Hill, Palamu, that is in Jharkhand. Its Sangam is at Ganga in Fatua. There is a place called Fatua in Patna. Its length is 235 km and enters Bihar in Aurangabad. And last important river is Falgu. It originates from North Chota Nagpur Plateau, Jharkhand. The Sangam is Ganga, Fatua. It enters Bihar in Gaya. Now this Son, Punpun, Falgu are the rivers which joins Ganga from the south. I have given you details about this river in this figure. You can have this figure. This is basically going to help you. Now this is the end of the video. Hello guys. So कैसा लगा वीडियो प्लीज़ बताएं हमें. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें इस चैनल को, लाइक करें. जो भी कमी रही वीडियोस में तो प्लीज़ हमें बताएं. In the next video I will tell you about cropping pattern, climatic condition of Bihar, and also soil of Bihar. So again, namaste, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal. Have a good day, prepare well, all the best guys.